on meillä kunnossa.
Well, you know, the place where we went off, it's my favorite place of the whole world in all rallying. That's the corner I love the most. So, but you know, it was a nice jump, landed exactly where it should be in the middle of the road. But you know, it was quite heavy landing, and it just suddenly pulled the front completely off the line. And you have so much speed in that corner that I didn't have any time to kind of react. Just went straight in the ditch and then started rolling on the road. So, you know, definitely the biggest crash I've ever had.